How to see who screenshotted your story on Snapchat. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily find who has screenshotted your story on Snapchat. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat here, all you have to do is simply go ahead and find your story on the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Then once you tap on your story here, you should be able to view your story. Then to see the people that have viewed your story, swipe up. And as you can see, you're right besides their name. If they've taken a screenshot, it's going to say screenshot or the two arrows icon. And you should know that they've taken a screenshot of your stories just like that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you know if someone has screenshotted your story on Snapchat. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.